Today, y'all, we are doing chicken lollipops. We're going to show you how to get them ready, what kind of seasoning, and then we're going to pop them on the smoker. So y'all come back. Alright y'all, here we are, back again. Today we're going to do chicken lollipops. I've only done these one other time, and I didn't cut the knuckle off the end of the bone. And I'm not going to lie, it's a little bit of a pain to get that skin off that bone. So today, Brother Bart is going to chop that knuckle off for me.
I'm going to whack it.
Because I don't need to be playing with knives. I can trip over air, so knives, especially big sharp knives, are a big no for me. So we're going to get started. Alright y'all, so we're going to get some of these prepped up and we'll be right back, but we are going to show you
how I whack it.
How we wax it. And how we prep it and make it into a chicken lollipop. We'll be back.
Here we go. I'm whacking chicken legs. Right there. Is that good enough?
That's good enough.
That's right. I'm not cutting.
How about you not do that?
How about it? A little closer to me. We need a little more. Okay, a little whack. There we go.
Hey, you gotta leave me some bone to make a handle.
What the heck? You said cut it off right there.
Right below the knuckle.
Oh, so right there?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, then maybe I should do it that way. Alright. Chicken knuckles are de-knuckled. Chicken legs are de-knuckled.
Okay.
Chicken feet.
I want you
I cut
to
the feet off the chicken.
I want you to do one more thing for me.
What's that?
I want you to take this part and with the same knife and just kind of even this up so they'll stand up straight for me. See how they kind of lean? Just kind of trim it, make it flat.
So you want it straightish.
Yes, sir.
So you want me to cut a little bit of this bone.
Yes, sir.
Well, here's the problem. When I do this, this chicken leg's gonna fly up there and it ain't gonna be straight.
See? Just like that. Yeah. That worked.
We'll give it a shot. Stands. Chicken legs stand.
Alright, so we've got most of these prepped. We're just kind of showing you what we're doing here. These little
Chicken tenders.
tendony things,
Tendons.
you want to cut those off.
She wants to because they look creepy.
They're a little creepy. They're creepy. Best way to do that is with holding on to it with a paper towel because they are slick. Now, you're going to need a really sharp pair of scissors. These are hoof trimming scissors we bought to trim our goat's hooves, and we've never done it. And so I thought this will work.
What are you doing? Coolita knife.
Just like that.
Coolita knife works good too. See, I cut the big one off. We're not going to worry about the little ones.
Yeah, we're going to worry about the little ones. Give it
We're
here.
going to stuff them in there.
No, we're not.
Hide them from her. You can't see them. Don't worry about it.
There you go.
Here, trim that one.
Okay. Cluckalicious. That's what we're using as a rub today. Is 2 Gringos Cluckalicious.
Gringo.
Cause we three
Chupacabra.
Cause we 3 Gringos in here.
Chuckalicious poultry.
No,
It's chupalicious.
Chupalicious. Okay, now what we're also gonna do You don't necessarily have to do this, but if you're worried about how things are looking, if you're taking this to a party, God bless you for all that work. You need to wrap the bone in foil so it doesn't turn brown. So I just got these pre-cut things, and a third of this will work. Just fold it in half, and then just kind of wrap it around the bone a little bit. And then that way, your bone doesn't turn dark while it's on the smoker. Well, you're not, but it's a presentation thing, Brother Bart. Well, yeah. We kind of don't. We kind of don't care about pretty, but I'm just letting you know that if you care about pretty, this is what you're going to want to do. All right. And then after this, we are going to use that Chupacabra's Two Gringos Cluckalicious. And then we're going to put them on the Traeger. I've got it set at 225. Different people have different things. As long as your internal temp on your chicken gets to 165, yeah, you know. Now, when I made these the last time, I was kind of tired, and I kind of didn't want to do the sprinkle thing with the rub, so I just dumped a big old pile of it on a paper plate.
It was hot.
No, it wasn't Chickalika Bam Bam. I'll figure it out. I'll remember. Anyway, Brother Bart ate two and texted me later and said, I like spicy, but did you have to dip them in molten lava? Some of the girls at work thought they were a little spicy too, so we're going to tone it down for Brother Bart because as he's gotten older, he's kind of gotten wimpy. Not going to lie, so have I. Alright, so we're just going to sprinkle these liberally with some rub. I said liberally. We're not talking politics here, Brother Bart, just don't go there. Be sure to get the bottom two. So what we're going to do is we're going to get these until they're about 155 internal temp. And then I'm going to brush them with some barbecue sauce. Kind of crank the heat up a little bit. Let that sauce tack up and set on the chicken. Then we'll finish it out and get it to an internal temp of 165. Alright, I'm going to finish getting these seasoned up, and then y'all come back and we'll get them on the grill. Alright y'all, we've got these all seasoned up with our Chupacabra's Two Gringos Cluckalicious. I remembered what it was I used on the lollipops the last time. It's John Henry's pecan rub. Apparently if you get a little heavy-handed with that rub, it gets a little spicy, according to Brother Bart. Otherwise, it tastes like molten lava. So, we're just going to put these on these little racks. Yeah, if they do tend to lean, just kind of lean them towards the inside so if they do fall over, they fall on the rack. Alright, so now we're going to go put them on the grill. Alright.
Chicken legs are on.
So, we're going to let them go. The temp is at 225. We're going to let them go. I'll check them in about 20 minutes or so, see how they're doing.
Night-night.
Night-night. Alright guys, the chicken lollipops have reached an internal temp of 155, so now we're going to sauce them. I also cranked up the heat on the Traeger to 275. It was on 225, just to kind of help set the sauce. So here we go. We're going to brush this on here.
And make a mess.
Oh, that's what the butcher paper's for. I'm using the honey, Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar. I'm not using a whole lot of sauce, just enough to give it a little sweet flavor. I'm not going to drown it or anything. Okay, y'all, I'm going to get the rest of these sauced up, and then we'll get them back on the Traeger. Alright, we're just going to set them back on the Traeger. Like I said, until they get back up, or they get up until the internal temp, the final internal temp of 165. And night-night. Alright, so the chicken lollipops are done. Yum. So I'm going to take them off these racks, and then we're going to do a little taste test. They're a little warm still. So we seasoned them. We cooked them into till an internal temp of 155. We took them off. We sauced them. At that point, the temperature on the smoker was $2.25. And I actually cranked it up until to 300 to get the sauce going. And then we took them off when the internal temp reached 165. So these are all done. I'm just gonna get them on this plate. And then we're gonna taste them. Let's see. There's your little handle. I'm ready. Oh, cameraman up. You gonna do one? Wanna taste one?
That's gonna be hot.
Yeah, but it's really good. It is hot. Just the right amount of spice. It's not molten lava this time. And the sauce, the sweetness in the sauce kind of offsets the spice a little bit. These are good. Y'all give it a try. They're good. Like I said, they're labor intensive, but they're fun. And they look cute. The lollipops. Alright, y'all come back for another video in the future. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We want to hear from you. See the description below for details and helpful links to what we covered today. Hit that notification bell so you are alerted when we publish new videos. Check out our website at motherofsmoke.com for the latest things we are working on. Have a blessed day and keep smoking.